Good evening. It is Ethan from Weather Watchers 405. We got some things to talk about in Oklahoma weather. Again, with tomorrow, the conditions are present for fires. Now, just because I say conditions are present and you might be in a risk area, does that mean you're going to see a fire? No. But that means there is a chance a fire will start and will continue. Now, in the orange shaded area, you are under an elevated risk. So it's not real severe, but I do believe parts of southwestern Oklahoma, like Altus, they should be taking this serious because the fire conditions are much, much lower, as in terms of humidity and dew point. And with the wind that's gonna start up tomorrow, that's when we will begin to see these fires potentially ignite. Wednesday's kind of the same. So the conditions are present, but they are much, much milder. And this is going to be for eastern Oklahoma. So Muskogee, Ada, McAllister, Hugo, Ardmore, you're going to be in a elevated risk. And what that means is the conditions are present, fires are possible, but it's a little harder for them to get off the ground and running. So it's going to be like tomorrow on Wednesday, but it's going to be a little harder for these fires to go anywhere. Looking into the future, we're seeing signals as far as precipitation. This is the 6 to 10 day precipitation outlook issued by the Climate Prediction Center. March 1st through 5th, we're seeing an above average chance of rain. So this could be severe weather, this could be just a nice shot of rain. Either way, we need it. We need rain. It's dry, and if we don't get some rain to cut into this drought, it's only going to get worse. Again, just like last time, this is the 8 to 14 day precipitation outlook, March 3rd through 9th. Again, you see Oklahoma, we are in the green. That means we have a chance to receive above average precipitation. So again, this is sending us signals that severe weather could be here with all the elements that are aligning. So definitely a trend to monitor, but right now it's looking like energy is not going to fully be present at this time. So it looks like just a shot of rain, but we still really need that. Now here's the rundown on the rest of February. The fire threat's going to stay high. We're staying dry. Don't burn. Even if you're not in a burn ban, don't burn. Conditions are going to stay high. Fire threat's going to be a concern for the rest of February. Just don't burn. Humidity's going to stay low. The vegetation's going to be dormant. It's just not recommended to burn. Whether you're in a burn ban or not, it's best to treat it as if something could happen. Now here's my breakdown on early March. Rain returns. We could get some moisture with this Gulf energy. It's going to pull it up with this jet stream. It's going to pull the moisture up into Oklahoma. We don't know the exact numbers on the moisture return. It's looking like high 50s, low 60s. Severe weather possible. Again, really depends on the moisture return and the energy we get from this. Because severe weather, as we know, is very dependent on many, many things. And finally, the jet stream kicks in. We're getting to that time of year where severe weather is going to be a prevalent part of our daily lives in Oklahoma. So it's best to monitor this. And we know in March we can see tornadoes. So just with this jet stream kicking in, the moisture, the severe weather, I'm going to be monitoring that and I will keep you tuned on that. Let's just go over this again. Burn bans are active. Don't burn. It's not recommended. Fire conditions are present. Tomorrow, we're going to see fires. Maybe not many, but the conditions are present, and that's something to watch across much of southwestern all the way into northeastern Oklahoma along that line. And Wednesday, again, uncertain whether we will see a fire or not, but it's best to stay aware because in Oklahoma, weather's unpredictable and it's best to stay prepared. Again, precipitation, early part of March, we could see severe weather. Not certain, but we could get this drought over with. Rest of February, fire threats high, we stay dry, let's not burn. And early March, rain returns, moisture returns, severe weather is possible, and the jet stream kicks in. Thank you for watching. See you later.